Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalista here and I have a Stitchfix unboxing. Where does the time go? It seemed like just 2 months ago I had a Stitchfix unboxing. I do them every other month and I think because I've had so many other unboxings that you're like, really? Didn't we just do this? But I have a feeling everyone out there that loves an unboxing does not complain. How many unboxings is too many? Nah, no unboxing is too many, you guys. I was trying to answer that question without being like double negative. I was gonna trip myself up there. So yes, Stitchfix personal stylist, it is a subscription. So they even have, which I have not done, what's it called, that Stitch Fix thing where you pay like a fee or something and then you get unlimited fixes, or maybe not unlimited, but like monthly fixes without a styling fee. You waive it. So even if you don't order something, you don't pay a styling fee. Anyhow, if any of you have done that, let me know because I just haven't pulled the trigger on that. Unlike some of the other unboxings that have been sent to me, Stitch Fix is all mine. I have been doing Stitch Fix since before I had a YouTube channel. In fact, I only just in the last couple of years decided, oh, maybe I should show my unboxings on my channel. So this is going to be, this is like my 35th fix or 40th fix or something like that, but I've been doing them for quite some time. So yeah, I have a great stylist. She and I seem to mesh well together. I communicate in detail. I have a Pinterest style board that I make sure she sees. I leave detailed notes, etc., etc. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna pull the items out of the box and show them to you, and then I try them on. In case you haven't seen my unboxings before, that's how I do it. And I am in my bedroom and I don't have a fabulous runway or studio or some other great backdrop for you to see them. I wish, one day. Okay, here we go. I said no pants. I have so many pairs of jeans, white jeans, and I have so many pairs of shorts. And you guys, we are having kind of an unseasonably cool weather, summer, if you ask me. And I'm like, you guys, I have got so many cute shorts and I have hardly worn them. So, yeah. So I'm like, I don't need any more shorts. So this was supposed to be primarily tops, accessories, that kind of thing. I said jackets, throw in a jacket. I love a jacket. I love a jacket. Mailer envelope to go back. Love it. Guys, I see a color. I love that color. I see yellow. I love color. Okay, sorry. So obnoxious. And also today I feel like I'm not wearing color. I have like the kind of sort of bland nude lip and this shirt, which by the way is Trunk Club, so this is from Nordstrom. And my foundation kind of oxidized. It's the Maybelline Dream Satin, which I love the formula, except I went a shade up and I think it's a shade too dark because, hello, we are oxidizing. Okay, earrings. Hi Rebecca, happy July. Can you believe it finally feels like summer? Yeah, it does. Some days it does. Based on your feedback, I focus exclusively on top options, a nice layering piece, and the perfect accessory while staying clear of all bottoms. The Calvin Klein blouse is great for wearing as is or with a blazer. Pair it with white jeans, my last fix. The Marlyn Schiff hoops. Oh, and I have Marlyn Schiff hoops from another fix, which those are such good earrings. Nude pumps for a classic chic style. I'm gonna go with a nude sandal wedge sandal because I don't do pumps with my bad feet. The bold yellow Goldray blouse is the perfect pop of color under the Skyzar blue blazer. Enjoy, Nikki. So I got pops of color and I have a blazer. You guys, I love a blazer. And then I annoy my family. I wear my blazer and I go, hello, welcome to my open house. I am your realtor today. Because I just feel so official, like I'm supposed to be a realtor. No offense to any of you real estate agents out there, but you know what I mean. Like when you're just constantly wearing yoga pants and hoodies and then you put on a blazer, you feel like you should go sell something. Oh, these are so cute. I should say Marlyn Schiff, Marlyn, and it's silver. How great. I don't even know this designer, but I'm really hoping that she's just sort of an independent brand that Stitchfix got on board with, because that's cool. These are darling. I have a large amount of gold accessories, and every time I reach for a silver earring or necklace, I find myself kind of at a loss, because I'm like, oh, I just don't have as many to choose from. So honestly, having simple silver jewelry is ideal. I'm trying to show you the detail of that. It's like a leaf. I thought it was just a faceted cut silver, but I think there's actually like little crystal. So awesome. Those go with anything and fit every time. We love accessories. Makeup and accessories, you can't go wrong. Primrose leaf, yes, are $34. I love it. I love this color. It makes me look, my makeup looks even more oxidized now, and my lipstick looks even more dreary. I would definitely put on a vibrant lip or just a nice clear nude. This is lovely. I love it. I don't think it's silk. I think it's just kind of a rayon blend that has a nice feel to it. Let's look. Let's look. It's Camuto. Flamingo pink. I mean, how can we not? Machine wash cold. It's polyester, you guys. How great is that? You can throw it in your washing machine. If you pit out in it, it's going in the wash. Trust me, right? So super simple, love it. This is so sweet. First of all, if whatever this is called, no, this is a flutter sleeve. A tulip sleeve is like a fold. This flutter sleeve, adorable. I love navy. This almost looks like polka dots, but not quite. And it's kind of the similar thing. It's like pullover blouse. You know, it's not a button up, but it has like the little notch. And yeah, and it's got some pleats in the back. You guys, I know fashion. I can talk the talk. It's also probably a rayon blend. Feels very breathable, like you're not going to need to iron it. Oh, it says dry clean. Hang on. It says dry clean. This is the kind of thing though, it's polyester, you guys. It's going to get hand washed. Okay, I am so excited about this blouse. Oh, first of all, Calvin Klein blouse is $58. Remember, if you buy all 5, you get a 25% off discount. This is beautiful. So it's like a halter style. It's very rayon-y, chiffon-y, has a little pleat in back. What do you call that? I don't know. It even has these like little studs on here. They're kind of like, well, they're probably plastic, but they look like brass. And I've not heard of this brand before. Hey, love this. This is just so easy, and it has a tie. So cute. Okay, so Goldray bead detail tulip hem top is $58. $58 is like the magic price point in these. And then last, we have our Skies Are Blue Asa knit blazer. Is this like the other? No, I can't remember the brand of knit blazer, but this is really cute. So it's navy, so it's gonna go with everything because navy is a neutral. And it is just so stinking cute. It doesn't have a lining, that's fine. It's more of a casual cut. It has some pockets because, you know, you gotta have like a little pocket for a lip gloss or your phone or something, because no pockets are an abomination. And I love this like ruching kind of cuff. It's a fake cuff, but that's okay. It's really cute. So we are gonna just head on over to the corner and try those on. By the way, that is $58. Oh no, that's $68. I was laughing at the Calvin Klein blouse because it's called a suit separate. So like you would totally wear that with a pencil skirt. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna step aside. I'm gonna show those up. I don't need to show you my feet or my legs. This is so great. You don't even know if I'm gonna be wearing pants or not. Don't worry, I am. Okay. So here's the pink blouse. I love it. I knew I would. There's just nothing wrong with it. You cannot go wrong with this cute blouse. And see, look, I'm wearing pants. You don't have to worry. Yeah, so lots of fun. It just, oh my God, it feels so nice. Like this type of polyester feels like satin pajamas. Okay, winner. Here is the blazer. It's hard to see detail. There's no buttons, so it's very casual. It fits. It's so easy. It doesn't have shoulder pads or anything like that. It's just casual. It's a 3/4 sleeve. It's just comfortable. It's like instead of a cardigan, you want to look kind of chic, kind of just, you know, like, oh, what? This thing? Uh-huh. You know, you just throw on a blazer. Also, if you're having a drinking game watching my videos, drink every time I say the word blazer. I love it. Easy, right? I like that it almost has a vintage feel, like tucked in a skirt. Can you imagine the cuteness? Or like little sailor pants, because we all have a pair of sailor pants hanging around. But you know what I mean? Like a high-waisted pant. Oh, so cute. Yep, I see it. The sleeve, this sleeve is, because it's so feminine, I think it adds such a cute little sense of sass and flair. Yeah, also a great fabric for just on its own for hot days or slightly chilly days under a cardigan or a blazer. Okay, now I understand why it was described as a tulip hem top, because look, it has like this little floofy flounce to it. How sweet. Oh yeah. This is really cute. Here's the top. See it? Those are little beads. Yeah. I love halter tops because, you know, if it shows off my clavicles, I feel sassy. And the back has this little vent. I hope you enjoyed that fix. It was fun for me, and thank you so much, Nikki, for these great pieces. I really enjoy them. They work so well. I got a pair of shorts last year that they're white with little lemons on them. So cute, right? And yeah, so I can't wait to put outfits together. And right now it's kind of cold and kind of 60s and dreary, but I cannot wait for the sun to come out and oh yeah. Anyway, I don't know what I'm talking about. Thanks so much, Nikki, for reading my note and following my style preferences. And like I said, if you want to sign up for Stitchfix, use my link. Use my little sign up. I think you get $25 or something off your first fix. I get a discount, and the world goes round a happier place. Yep. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and give a thumbs up, click, and leave a comment if you want to. And I love reading them and responding. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.